Good morning, guys. To the newer Mercedes W205, I think 2018 or 16, I forgot. With 4-cylinder, just replacing the spark plug on this guy. So first, what you want to do, there will be a piece of cover. Just pull it straight up. It will come out. Just held out by 4 rubber grommets. After that, we're gonna undo 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 coil packs. Okay, should be a T30, 2 T30 for each coil, and then come out. Let me grab some tools. Okay, so T30 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these, 8 of these. Just gonna put them here. And after that, you undo these connectors. Just want to show you guys. So to take out this guy, the harness here, there's 2 more T30 right here. One over here, another one over in the very back right here. And then there's one more right here. The harness. All we need is a little more that way. That's it. Loosen it. I will just pull it up just a little bit. Slowly. Slowly. Very slowly. Very, very slowly. Like, I'm not forcing it. I'm just apply constant pressure. Let the rubber slide out like this. Let it slide out. Let it slide out. Slide out. There we go. So in the back too, we don't have much space, so we might have to remove the connector. Constant pressure. Constant pressure. No need to pull it. Just apply a little constant pressure. Then we're gonna undo the connector. Okay. So after you loosen the spark plug, you can. That's all I need to work with. Just over here, and over here, and over here, and over there. Okay, this guy just pull straight up. Again, constant pressure. No need to pull too hard. Okay, so then yeah, we're just gonna over here and over there. So the last one we need to disconnect because there's no room. So pull this tab out. Pull this tab out. And then you push it down. And you disconnect. Just like that. Just like that. And then what we need to work with is right here. We'll see right there. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for these guys, you need a special tool. So then the socket you need is this guy. I got it from Amazon. It's 14 bucks. 12 point, 14 mil, thin wall with a wobble over here. Okay, and I grab my extension. Just gonna crack it loose one by one. So the part I'm be using today is this guy. So that would be the part number right there. I believe this is somewhere here. Yeah, right here. That's the part number. So after you replace it, take out the spark plug, you put in the old one over here. Just like this. It's magnetic, so it's very good. So then you want to put it into the cylinder by hand. And then you torque it to 30 Newton meter. After you install it, torque all four, then you install the coil. So when you install the coil, this guy will need to fit over like this. Like this. Okay, just push it down. It'll slide in. It's
make sure you fit over this plug over there. There we go. So after everything is in, make sure the tab that you push out and push in so that it locks. Okay.
So after that, we just have these screws that we have to put in, and the 3 screw for the harness, and that's it. Yeah, so that's how you replace the spark plug on a newer Mercedes. It's not that bad. Like, the only hard part I would say is when you remove the coil from the spark plug, from the old spark plug. Make sure you don't just yank it. You apply constant pressure, and then the rubber will slowly slide out. That's the most important part.